Let's make the viral baked feta pasta, but this
Baked
time,
feta
let's make it
pasta?
with strawberries.
So what does
Add a quart of
strawberry have to do with
strawberries to a baking
anything?
dish, halved and stems removed. Drizzle liberally with olive oil, splash some white balsamic vinegar,
Okay.
and add some kosher salt and some fresh garlic.
Okay. I don't like this already, but let's see where they're going with it.
Outside of the dish to make
And if it's how is it viral and I've never seen
center
it?
of the strawberries, then
Oh
drizzle
my
with
God, here
more
we go.
extra virgin olive oil
Okay.
and crack some
Why
more
not
crushed
add some
pepper.
more
Then
virgin
have a
olive
400
oil?
degree oven for 45 minutes.
Oh,
When it comes
Lord
out,
have
give it a
mercy.
good stir. You'll notice,
Like-
just like the tomatoes, the strawberries released a lot of their natural juices.
It
Those
looks
juices combined with the
disgusting.
melted feta
And you
really
know, they
helps
talk
make
about this like
luscious
somebody's
sauce.
supposed to
Next,
see
add
it
a
and
huge
just
handful of basil.
die
Give
because
another
it just
stir, then
looks
add
so good.
your
It looks
pasta of
disgusting.
choice. I had these super cute leaf-shaped pasta made with spinach. So
It looks nasty.
I
Oh no,
honestly
I could
wasn't
see
sure
if
how
it's
this was
cream
gonna turn out. I
cheese,
thought
but
this could be a disaster.
feta
None of the
cheese,
flavors
strawberries,
generally went well
pasta?
together, but
No.
still idea. But let me
They
tell
don't
you,
go
I
together.
served this to several people. Everybody loved it.
Oh my
Enjoy,
God.
guys.
Oh my God. I